Hey guys, and welcome back. And if you are new, welcome, and it is so good to have you, and I hope you'll hit that subscribe button before you leave. Today's video is going to be the 5 off 25 for Saturday, June the 16th, and these are some amazing deals. I have lots more breakdowns coming, including the 3 off 15. So let's get into this. So the first thing you are going to want to pick up is the Gain Fabric Softener, and it is priced at $3.95, and we have that $2 off digital. The next thing is the Gain Detergent at $3.95. We have the $2 off digital. The Palmolive Essential Clean is $3, and we have a $2 off digital. If you would prefer to get the Ajax, you could. The Snuggle Dryer Sheets are $1.75, and we have that $2 off digital, making that a 25-cent moneymaker. The Kleenex Wet Wipes are $2 with a $1 off digital. The Mr. Clean is $2.50 with a $1 off digital. The Always Liners, $3 with a $2 off digital. And Charmin for $4.95, and we have a $1 off digital. So your total before coupons is going to come to $25.10. Use your 5 off 25. You have $13 in digitals, which is going to bring your total down to $7.10, or just 88 cents each, which is definitely not a bad deal for everything you are getting. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. And happy couponing from my home to yours.